Procam Logistics is an established, integrated project logistics management company, providing integrated logistics services, which are project cargo management solutions, order management, international freight management, customs and cross-border movement, heavy and over-dimensional cargo movement. We have systems and processes where we provide end-to-end visibility of cargo throughout the entire logistics value chain, providing clients supply chain visibility for increased efficiency since 2010. Procam Logistics has invested in the state-of-the-art equipments to execute projects in a safe and efficient manner. 4-point hydraulic lift system is one such equipment which uses advanced electronics and hydraulics to cater to the market demand for an efficient yet reliable, stable and safe lifting solution. It is a versatile hydraulic system which can be used outdoors to lift and move load safely, or indoors to overcome the constraints of limited space in terms of height, width, length and weight in a cost-effective and safe manner. When faced with the challenge of an electrical induction due to power lines or an installation of equipment in a running plant with limited space, our customers can now plan their expansion activities with minimal disruption to their ongoing operations safely. It requires only one operator to control both gantries in tandem from a safe distance, ensuring a safe work environment. This is ideally suited for the lift of long pieces like pressure vessel, girders, wind towers, heat exchangers, metro cars, etc. The lifting operations are very safe because the load is directly under its frame. The 4-point hydraulic lift system not only has the capacity to move laterally on its rails after lifting but also sideways, horizontally, ensuring the precise adjustments in placement of equipments. Procam-owned 4-point hydraulic lift system with trained professional operators can be relied upon to solve the complex challenges with ease.
We are Procam, committed to deliver with innovation. Come and experience the change, together.